Pro'sKit SS-989 2-in-1 Rework station. The features include 2-in-1 designed to save the cost, 2 power switches designed for energy saving, digital temperature control, quiet in operation, auto cool off. SS-989 uses precise CPU with design of digital temperature control circuit, accurate temperature setting, stable wind volume. 2 power switches design is good for heating gun and soldering iron being operated individually or simultaneously. That can save energy and prolong lifetime. Large digital temperature display. Hot air temperature between 100 to 450 degrees. Maximum airflow 24 liters per minute. And soldering iron temperature between 200 to 480 degrees. High efficiency soldering iron with a sensor to ensure temperature control precision. Heating gun designed by closed loop control provide accurate air flow and temperature. While reaching setting temperature, the indicator will flash. After power switch is turned off, the air pump keeping blowing until the temperature below 100 degrees in order to prolong the lifetime of heating element and to ensure safety. Pro'sKit provides varied nozzles and tips for replacement. Deep IC welding, suitable temperature setting 360 to 400 degrees. Deep IC continuously welding, suitable temperature setting 380 to 420 degrees. PLCC or QFB-IC hot air welding, suitable wind volume 3 to 5. Temperature setting 380 to 420 degrees. Pro'sKit 2-in-1 SMD hot air Rework station has gotten CE certificate, including 3 nozzles. 2-in-1 Rework station is stable, high efficiency, safety design, durable, and low price. It's definitely your best choice. Pro'sKit, a brand that you can trust.